It's Daddy Poppy at you again on a Lexus stock factory amp removal. So after you remove the glove box, this is how the amp looks. Here's a bolt that you're gonna have to take off. There's one here. One here and here. So you can pull the glove box up. So remove this screw. It's not that hard, but you want to remove the weather trim on the side. It's real simple, just pull up. Now you have room and play to move the amp around. Here's where you want to take off the bolt that connects the amp. There and there. Remove those. That's how far you need to pull the dashboard up a little. Here's how it looks. Just two bolts hold it. The top one and that one I just showed you. This is what you want to unplug and cut. This is how it looks unplugged. And these are your speaker wires that you want to cut. Like and subscribe. This is how it looks after I'm all done. Just tuck the wires away. Put everything back together again. Sweet.